Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the scuba gears on GTA Online. So at first, just open your map and find clothing store. And after you find it, just go inside the store. After going inside, uplift the shopkeeper and press E. And scroll all the way down until you see the option Outfit Scuba, and after you find it, just click on it and buy any of the scuba gear you want to get yourself for. So guys, that's how you buy the scuba gear on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.